your facility can always be safer. Keeping wanted and unwanted visitors from wandering around your facility is an important example of this. WireCrafters can help. A WireCrafters driver cage is a simple, cost-effective way of controlling visitor access. This helps keep accidents at bay and workers safe. If you need to exchange items with a visitor, the driver cage can be equipped with a service window for easy interaction. To make your visitor feel more comfortable, include a bench so they can sit while they wait. A push-bar door can be included to make a quick and easy exit in case of emergency. And of course, the push-bar door is not accessible while inside the cage, keeping it secure. Contact us today and get a quote. Make safety your #1 priority.